Hi, Tamara Carroll, the Joy Queen and your creativity coach. I just thought I would do a quick little tutorial for you and show you how I do flowers with acrylics. So I don't use anything fancy for my palette. This is actually a paper plate that has lots of different colors dried into it. So that's just what I'm going to use right now. And I'm going to start with some, I just use the Artist Loft acrylic paints. Those are my favorites. So I love the texture of this particular brand. And I'm adding some white. This one is Art District. I got this at Aaron Brothers. And you could watch their sales because they have frequently, you can get these larger tubes for buy one, get one free. Or buy one, get two free even. And then what I had done on this is a 5x7 canvas and it's on a board. So this is one of the types of canvases that you can purchase. And I put some black gesso on it and let it dry. I love to see the colors pop out of the black color. So that's just one of my personal preferences. So if you'll see here, if you can tell in my mass colored plate here, I have some orange and white, and I'm just going to mix those up with my fingers. I'm creating a peach color. I've been commissioned to paint some flowers in peach for a friend for her bedroom. So, and if you'll notice in the color, I leave a little bit of the white in it. You can tell over here there's a little bit of the white. And so what I'm going to do is, this is super easy, you guys. I just love to paint florals. So I'm probably not going to talk while I do this, but I'll hold it up and show you as I go. It's super easy though. I'm going to take some of this off of my finger. So I'm just starting with my index finger with some of the paint. I'll lift this up in a few minutes and show you where I'm going with it. I just kind of use a push technique. This is something that I've kind of just worked on with the Lord as I do prophetic painting. And so I'm just turning it just to get the basic shape of a flower into it. I need to get an easel. I'm sorry, it probably isn't the best way to do this. So now I'm just going to go in and just give it a little bit more shape. I like to make sure that all of the petals seem filled in. And I really like it when the white kind of peeks through the petals. Okay, so you can tell it's starting to take form. I'm going to get some more of the white because this one kind of blended out for me. Can you hear that pretty music? I love to listen to soft, gentle music. This music is put out by Justin Byrne, and that's B-Y-R-N-E. I found it on Spotify. I'm pretty sure you can find him on YouTube. Okay, so got some white. And you notice I've got a little bit of color up here on my hand, and it just doesn't matter because it's all going to be filled in anyway. I just love to finger paint. It's just so relaxing. I tried putting on some gloves today to try it out that way because my fingers get quite goopy. But I didn't like it, you guys, because I couldn't feel the paint. And there's something that I really love about feeling the texture of the paint on my hands or on my fingers. So again, it's starting to take a little more form, so I'm going to go in and just kind of experiment wherever you want to put a petal. I don't even know what these flowers are. And normally, you know, when I'm doing my prophetic paintings, I pray in the Spirit. And then I rely on the Holy Spirit to show me what colors and how to use my hands. And it's just really incredible. But now that I've been doing Heavenly Gardens for a while, it's easier for me to just sit down and paint a flower because I feel like I've mastered that technique. So again, I'm just going to touch in some white because I like it. I like the contrasting colors. So you guys watching the Olympics? Drop me a message on here. What's your favorite sport in the Olympics this year? What are you looking forward to watching? We like the speed skaters, and we were watching the ice skating tonight. That was always so beautiful. I'm just amazed. When I was a little girl, I used to do roller skating competition. I was a big chicken, but it was fun. Alrighty, well, this flower is almost done. Let's see if I can lift this up for you to see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to go back in with some of the white. I think I'm going to get some more of the orange. And this is just what you do. You just kind of go in with your finger and add petals wherever you want to put them. And I have some other techniques that I use. Sometimes I'll use the palette knife and I'll go in and scrape it a little bit in the middle. I don't even know where my palette knife is right now. I was using it earlier tonight with another painting, so everything's kind of everywhere. But you can kind of see I pulled up some of the acrylic there in the middle and kind of gave it some texture. So that's really all there is to it, you guys. It's super easy. Let me just grab a little bit more of this orange so I can add some deeper colors into this one. Can you see me? So just do a little bit of pulling, a little push and pull here with the petal. And I'll probably put some more of that up in the middle here. I love texture. And the more it stands up and gives it some texture off of that canvas, I love that. So there you go. So super fun. So thank you for joining me in my art studio tonight. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off and finish this painting up for my girlfriend, and I'll post it when I'm done. So thank you for joining me. Tamara Carroll, the Joy Queen and your creativity coach. Good night.